Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Yuto Miyake. From now on, I'd like to introduce Ms. Nobue FUJINO. She is going to make a presentation about what she is interested in. So please listen to her presentation carefully.
Thank you, Mr. Miyake. Hello, everyone. My name is Nobue FUJINO. Do you know these names? Napoleon Bonaparte, Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, and Pablo Picasso. You have heard their names before, haven't you? Of course, I have heard their names too. However, there are two things common in them. The first thing is that they are all geniuses whose name known to everyone. The second thing is that they are all left-handed. Today, I would like to talk about the relation between the left-handed and the genius. This is today's outline. First, introduction. I'll talk about the population of the left-handed and my opinion. Second, I'll talk about the left-handed get used to tool for the left-handed. Third, I'll talk about the relation between the dominant hand and the brain. Fourth, I'll talk about the conclusion in my opinion. Okay, let's start. Please look at this figure. This figure shows the rate of the dominant hand in age distinction. According to the article of Yada and Uemura, the population of the left-handed is only 10% of the population. So, the various things in the world are made for the right-handed. The machine to check a ticket of the train is a typical example. It is set the right side. So, we need to put a ticket in the machine by the right hand. It is naturally movement for the right-handed. However, the left-handed don't feel so. This is because the left-handed have to shift the ticket from left to the right, so that it takes effort than the right-handed. From this, my opinion is that many left-handed are genius is that the left-handed population is small, so that they adapt to the right-handed environment. In other words, they always use the both brain, so that many left-handed become genius easily. From now on, I'd like to introduce about the evidences of that. Next, I would like to talk about I introduce about the example that the left-handed get used to tool for the right-handed. The scissors is a good example. Almost all scissors are made for right-handed. So, it should be difficult for the left-handed to use the right-handed scissors. But however, it is different. This is because at first, the left-handed cannot use the right-handed scissors well. But finally, they get used to them and can use them well. This is how the left-handed get accustomed themselves to using the right-handed tool. Finally, I would like to talk about the relation between the dominant hand and the brain. The nerve of the hand cross before arrive at the brain. Therefore, the left brain manages right hand, and the right brain manages left hand. According to Nishizawa, there are two reasons that the right-handed population is large. The first reason is that the size of the left brain is larger than the size of right brain by nature. And the second reason is that the left brain has the center of the language and the exercise, so that it is very important part in daily life of human. From these reasons, we think that the right-handed population is large. Then why are there many left-handed geniuses? I think that there are two reasons that there are many left-handed geniuses. The first reason is that the left-handed does all kind of things to use tools for the right-handed. Because of the right-handed population is large. The second reason is that people become the right-handed easily. This is because in the science of the brain, the size of the left brain is larger than the size of the right brain. So, nevertheless, the left-handed use left hand, so that the right brain of the left hand is developed. So, I think that there are many left-handed geniuses in the world. This is differences. Thank you for listening.